certainly not classics for their practicality really, but this is a very usable, practical car. The DB6 is much more roomy than the DB5, and in a way it's a much more sorted car altogether. In its day, the DB6 is one of the fastest cars that you could hope to own. It's got speed, it's got looks, it's comfortable, you're driving in style. Forget about 007, you're getting so much more bang for your buck with a DB6. The Aston Martin DB6, as you see here, has somewhat unfairly sat in the shadow with its older brothers, the DB4 and the DB5. The DB5, of course, has the James Bond connection, that romantic association that we all know and love. But there's a hefty premium to pay for what is arguably a much less sorted car than the DB6. With the DB6, you're in good company. The likes of Sir Paul McCartney and Peter Sellers were owners, and you might recognise the DB6 from the wedding of a certain Prince William and Kate Middleton as they sped down the Mall after the ceremony in Prince Charles's open-top DB6 Volante. If you're looking for a DB6 of your very own, you'll want one that's been recently restored to a very high standard. This DB6 has been restored by Aston Workshop and it is absolutely immaculate. Having driven it for a little bit, it's something I'd certainly like to add to my garage. So if you would like an Aston Martin of your very own, call JBR Capital and we can arrange hire purchase, lease purchase, equity release and auction finance, as well as restoration finance for your very own car. And together with our friends at Aston Workshop, we can put you in the car of your dreams.